What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your watch letter playlist on your YouTube app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube, you have to click on your profile in the bottom right corner. After clicking on your profile, you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to click on this option just like this, watch later. You can see here is the option called playlist. Then you can see you have to click on view all. Then you will see the option called watch later. This is the playlist that of your from your view watch later. So after clicking on this, now you can see here is the all the videos that you have saved for the watch later. So this is how you can find your watch later video playlist on your YouTube app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.